Hey everyone, I'm Mauro, and today I'm going to show you something really fun you can do with Python. It's called Turtle. The Turtle module lets you draw cool pictures by telling a little turtle where to go on the screen. You can make it move forward, turn, change colors, and draw all kinds of shapes like squares, stars, spirals, or even your name, which is super fun. And it's a super fun way to learn to code because you can see what your code does as the turtle draws right in front of you. So grab your keyboard, open Python, and let's start drawing with Turtle. Hey everyone, welcome back to Learn to Hack and Code for Kids. My name is Mauro, and today we're going to learn all about Python's Turtle module, a fun way to draw pictures and shapes using code. And we'll find out how to make our turtle friend look cool, change colors, draw lines, and even fill shapes with color. I'll explain every step so you know exactly what you're telling Python what to do. So let's get started. So number one, you're going to open up IDL shell. This is Python, so you get into your, so you can start coding. And you'll just click Start Menu. And if you're not already in IDLE, just type in LDLE if you're on a Dell, and you can come up right here, and you double click that, and you're in here already. So then when you're done with that, click on File, New File, and you're ready to start coding. Alright, so number one, we're going to do import turtle. Alright, so import turtle basically tells Python, I want to use the turtle tools. And now we're going to use my underscore turtle. Nope, not that, equals. Alright, oops, I forgot to do equals sign. It's always important to do that. Bear with me on what I am doing. Alright, perfect. So my underscore turtle equals turtle dot turtle basically means it basically makes a new turtle friend called my underscore turtle. So we could tell it like what to do, and then the equals right here means store this turtle, and it like basically it stores the turtle and like call it my underscore turtle. So the capital T in turtle, which is right here, basically means we're making a new turtle using the turtle blueprint. So my underscore turtle basically means basically means we could tell it like what to do. And then here means like store this turtle and call it my underscore turtle. So that's what it means. And then this right here, this whole thing makes a new turtle friend and stuff like that. Alright, so now we're going to do now since we already finished that, we're going to move on to the next one. I thought we had another step, but we don't. Alright, so what we're going to do next is we're going to do right here, my underscore turtle dot shape, and next that, oops, nope, not wrong one. Alright, perfect. So this tells your turtle to look like a real turtle instead of just an arrow or dot. And you're probably wondering like, where's the arrow or the dot? Once I press the F5 key, which I'll save this really quick, new folder in Python, I'll save it in there. Oop, we need a name. Python coding, we'll just do, alright, saves it in there, and then now, as you can see, it turns it into a cute little turtle. But if you didn't do the shape, where is it? Let's see. The one? This is the one. So if you didn't do shape, it would probably be a arrow. So let me show you that. Let me show you. Once you do F5 key, I'll show you. See? Turns into an arrow. And that doesn't really look like turtle, you know? So, we'll turn it into a turtle and make it look like a real one. So let me just put that back. Underscore. Oops, typing a little too fast. I'm not doing it correctly. Now let's see. Just checking our code to make sure. Yep, perfectly. Just making sure everything's done properly. We don't get any errors in the future. Alright, so after doing that, we're gonna do, like, basically, this is gonna change the turtle's color, so it just doesn't look like it's black. We'll do blue actually, so let me just get to that. My turtle and dot color, just like before when we were doing dot shape, just dot color instead, and we'll do blue, because why not? Let's make this an exotic turtle, never before seen. And then now our turtle and the lines it draws will be blue. So if you make it blue, green, orange, purple, you name it, it'll basically do blue or orange or whatever you put in. Let's do that. Make sure it's blue. Perfect. As you can see, our cute little turtle is now blue. Let's get back to it. Alright. Alright, next one we're going to do is my turtle. And then we're going to do dot pen size, just like before. And then we're going to do, we'll do 5. Oops. I kind of want it thick. Alright, so this makes the line thicker, just like I said. And you can change the number to make it like thinner or thicker. So you can make it 2 to make it thinner, or 100 to make it super duper thick. Or you could just do 4, which I did 5, but I'll just do 4. It's better that way. I like to space it out, but not too spaced out. Alright, next. So we can like move our turtle around. We'll be doing my underscore turtle. And then we'll do forward. Basically telling it to move forward. And now, just like before, right here, we'll do 100. Because it has to move 100 steps. And then we'll do my, I think it moves 100 steps. Yep. And next, turtle. And then we'll do right. Because it has to turn right, you know? Now 90. Perfect. Okay. So this basically moves your turtle like forward 100 steps and then turn it right by 90 degrees. So if you had left, you would turn it left by 90 degrees, but since we're making it a square, we'll do 90 degrees right. Alright, next we'll do for I encode, not I encode, for I in range, perfect. 3. We'll do 3. Actually, we'll do 4. Why not? Explain a little bit about this. Alright. Let's see. Yes. Is that too spaced? No. Okay. It looked like it was spaced. Oops, what did I do? Alright. Oh, that's what I did. Now we're gonna put. There we go. Now it's on like the middle. Little thing is in the middle. And then now, same thing. Turtle. Dot. Did I do? No, I didn't do space. Dot. Forward. Basically, it's telling you already. We'll do forward. Perfect. Turn off. Dot right. Yes, did it right. Oh, gotta remember. And then 90 degrees. Alright. What? I got 90. Perfect. Now we're doing it correctly. So I'm gonna explain what this means right here. And for I in, for I range, basically means So you're probably wondering why is it I? And why can't it be like fly in range? So I'm gonna tell you like this is basically called a loop, and it means do like the steps inside this block like 4 times since we did 4. If you had 5, it would do 5 times. If you had 9, it would do 9 times, etc. And then the I right here, which is right here, this is just a placeholder name because we don't need to keep track of the number like each time. So inside the loop, basically like the turtle moves forward 100 steps, which we're telling it to do right here, and then it turns right, which is 90 degrees right here, and then doing this 4 times, which we said it right here, 4 times to make it a square, because a square has 4 equal sides and 4 right angles. So 4 times we're doing it for to make a square, and then using loops saves time basically, so you don't have to write the same commands like over and over. So you could do this right here, but it would probably be written out like another 4 times or something, 3 times to get a perfect shape. So this is always helpful to make it go over and over again. Just pretty good. All right, now we're gonna fill like the shapes of color. Let me just get this out because we're we're getting rid of that. Now we're gonna do. Yeah, we'll do that. We'll do it down here. We'll do it a little bit further from fly and range, so we don't get it like a little mixed up. All right, so before you start drawing and filling the shape, you first need to tell your turtle what color to fill the shape with. So we're gonna do my underscore turtle dot fill color, and then we'll do yellow. Why not? Kind of want it to be yellow. Alright, so we did fill color, yellow, which is perfect. And this line tells the turtle like when I fill a shape, fill it with yellow. So fill color with yellow. Alright, now you're ready to fill the shape. But first you need to do like, hold on, I need to tell you. So we'll do, no, not the wrong one. We'll do my underscore, I said under girl, under turtle, my dot, begin. Begin and then fill. Perfect. And now, do that. It's just called for drawing a shape to be filled. Just like it says. Next. We could, we could, we couldn't do another one. Let's do another one. For I, because we gotta make it in a loop, right? For I, range, we'll do 3. And this right here has to become 4. What do we do? No, yeah, we keep it in. We'll keep it in. I don't think it has anything. Yeah, we'll keep it in. Perfect. Now, we'll start remembering the shape, so we'll do that. Draw a triangle. So we're gonna right here, we're gonna draw a triangle right here. So in order to do that, we'll do. But first, we'll run this code real quick. We'll get rid of that. All right. Let's see your little turtle in action. Invalid syntax. What do they mean? Now we'll try it. What? Invalid syntax? Why? How do we underscore? For I? Do I have to say in range? Oh, why does it say I in range? Oh, I have to say I in range. Let's see if that. Sorry. Let's see if that does it now. Alright, that's a little embarrassing. I forgot to put in. I only thought it was I, but I guess it's in. For I in range, and then, guess you get it. You could slow, let's see. We'll try it. Let's make it green. Let's make it green, because that's like a normal turtle kind of color. We'll do 9. Let's see how funny this will be. Oh, well, I guess it makes it a little bit bigger, but if you want it really, really, really big, I guess you have to do like in the hundreds or something. I thought 9 like made it big. I guess you gotta make it like 50 or something. Let's see. I pressed the wrong key. Press F4 key. Always press F5 key if you try to make it. And it's always good to make like, you can make tons of drawings here. Look how much space you have here to make so many stuff. Alright, it is kind of important if you like want to make a really big thing. Make it 9. We'll do 4. We'll do 5. Leave it at that. Alright, we'll do another 4 iron range. Because I had another plan. And then this time I won't forget this. For iron range. I thought it was for I range. It actually has to be I in range. So always remember, for I in range, it's basically a loop. We'll do. What should we do? Put on the top. My underscore turtle. And then we'll do dot begin. No, that's not begin. Perfect. I just realized that I was spelling a beginning or something. And begin underscore fill. And then we'll start. Oh, but we gotta do. Actually, I put it in be in here. Sorry, folks. Boom, 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 boom. There we go. Now we'll do the sweep. I forgot we had to do. Just never forget, guys. Dot. Why did that go over here? Alright, turtle. And then we'll do dot fill. And then color. That's what we were doing before. Yellow. We gotta make it yellow. Perfect. Fill color yellow. My turtle begin. Fill. Actually, we'll do this before. Alright, now we'll get rid of this. There we go. Okay. Alright, so we're going to draw a triangle. Now we'll do my underscore turtle. Like always. Turtle. And then dot forward. And then 100. This time we'll do 100. Because we gotta go 100 steps. But then we'll change it up a bit and do my underscore turtle. And then we'll do dot right. And then we'll do 120 because it has to become a triangle. Okay, and then we'll do under that. We'll do. There we go. And we'll do my underscore turtle dot end because we're ending it, and then we're gonna do underscore fill, and then we'll do one. We'll just leave it like that, and then it's basically for the shape of yellow. Actually, we won't do that. Alright, now we'll run the code. So begin underscore fill, which is right here, basically like tells Python start remembering the shape I'm about to draw. And then when you're doing, so we're, this right here, for loop draws a triangle by moving forward and turns times, we'll do three times. So we'll do the for loop. It's gonna, you're just gonna move 3 times. And then we'll do, because we're doing for I in range 3 times, I just figured out that if you're gonna make a triangle, we have to do 3 times. Do the loop 3 times. And then for the loop 3, and then we'll do that. And then what this means right here, underscore fill, tells Python the shape is done. Now fill it with color I picked up earlier. So let's try it out. I'm so excited for this. See, that's so cool. It turns it into a different color. It makes it a triangle. It's kind of like, looks a little bit like Pac-Man a little bit. Like, boom, 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 boom. Or does it look like Pac-Man? I don't know. But it turned like a Pac-Man color. And I'm excited to see this code actually work. Like, see that? Oh, that's cool. I don't know. It reminds me of something. Looks like Pac-Man. And then we'll just, that's really, really fun. For iron range, fill color, yellow. I really think that's really perfect. I think I had, let's see, I wasn't sure. Let's see. We'll make it down. Let's see. We'll do paste. And then we'll get rid of this because we have 2 begin fills. That's a little weird. Now we'll do F5. See if it still works. Yep, still works. So it doesn't really matter where they are. I just figured it out. And it works. Perfect. So my turtle end dot right. What if we do it? Let's do a little experiment and do 10. That's gonna be a little cool. Let's see what's gonna do. Running it. It's running. Oh, okay. So doesn't really make it bigger or thicker like you would do in real life. If you did it multiple times, it would get slowly thicker. Oops, I accidentally opened up wrong tabs there. Sorry, guys. That was my bad. Okay. So basically, now we're gonna clean up our drawing. Wait, we can actually, we don't have to clean it up just yet. We can make it a little bit more funner. We'll do my underscore turtle dot 5. Let's see. I wonder if, we could do backboard. Okay, perfect. We'll try that out. Boom, boom, boom. Ooh, yeah, that's nice. Perfect. So basically, you can mess around with anything, make anything in different shapes. It's super fun and cool. You can do backward. What other stuff can we do? Let's see. My underscore turtle. We'll do dot. Let's see what else we can get. Alright. I wonder how we got that. Underscore. Oh, I did it wrong. Maybe that's why it didn't pop up right away. So, I don't know. There we go. Did it wrong. Should pop up now. And we'll do left. And then we'll do 9. We'll do. Okay, perfect. Let's go. See what it does. Oh, whoa, we gotta see what's happening here. Oh, well, you see, it's making so many cool little bit of, ooh, that's perfect. We could do, oops, I'm opening up wrong tabs again. And we could do 100 times, and you could get, basically you can mess around with this, do cool experiments, make it go backwards. it's just all about learning stuff. I really enjoy this program. I always kind of, you know. Oh, it also is kind of like making it a little bit like a turtle kind of shell. See, I actually did not know that. This looks like the head, and that looks like the shell it's making. It just keeps going on around and around and around. It's really cool. You can make really fun drawings. You can make it have little legs. You go out here. You could just mess around with this, make this really cool. Do it 500 times. Like, I kind of think this is a little neat right here when it's making all this. This turtle's doing kind of a lot of hard work right now, I have to say. Look at him. He's just like constantly turning. Oh, gotta go this way. Oops. And look at it. It actually looks really, really pretty. Look at that. That's nice. I really like it. I actually really do like it. It's kind of like quite stunning, you see. It's actually pretty. And you can make a lot of cool stuff like this. Like a ton of nice, cool stuff like this. It's your imagination, you could do it. And then, where is it? Perfect. It's just gonna keep going for 200 times. And I bet you're not gonna sit there for a long time. Alright, so let's do another one. Let's say you want to clean up your drawing. Let's say it's getting out of hand with all this code. You could just do my underscore turtle dot reset, or you could do just clear. I'll do clear, so it'll reset everything. We'll do clear, and then we'll just do boom, boom. Oh, see, it was already telling you that we're gonna delete it, right? It just shows drawing from screen. Do not move to them. So it's already destroying it. Alright, where is our? Is it still going? Wow, this thing's still going. It's poor guy. Let me just stop the code. Can I stop the code for him? Break some of this off. Make it end quicker. Now we'll do this. There we go. He stopped. He's still going? Wait, this guy is like still going. Ryan range. We'll do 2 times. Alright, let's see. Is this guy gonna stop or not? Okay, yeah. Our beautiful drawing is just gone. Oh, what happened to him? All his drawings are gone. Oh, it must have been something I did. Yeah. Ryan range, it ended a little sooner. That's why I kinda... Oh, clear. Oh, so this is like right here. This is a part of... So I was saying like, let's clear this. Or you want to clear your drawing in general. You'll just do, like, let's say you're doing it 50 times. Let's just say. Oh, I'll show it. Let's see. I'll tell you what I mean. So it goes down. He turns yellow. I don't know why. Doing this very nice coloring. Just all this hard work, He's doing it. Like a ton of hard work. It would be a shame. And as soon as after 50 times, which hopefully comes soon. Let's see. Come on, hurry up. 50 times is almost up, I think. Or maybe I shouldn't have done 50 times. I bet before it was like almost at 200. Okay, come on. It's actually kind of gonna be a little sad once all this hard work is just cleared. Alright. Did he reach 50 already? Come on. I keep clicking on wrong tabs because I keep looking down. Oh, he already cleared it. Look, see? All that hard work just gone, wasted. Keep playing around with that. See? It's all gone. My bad, guys. No one keep moving this wrong tab. Keep going to Amazon bikes and stuff. It's like I think this is literally the program. It's not. Alright, so we cleared it out. Basically, this right here let's say you're doing like excuse me. Let's say we're doing like a drawing. You just want to erase it. Basically, my underscore turtle dot clear tells your turtle to erase everything it has drawn. I was incorrect, and I said old code because it had clear. But no, I am wrong. It just erases like this is specifically for because I was first thinking about the code and I thought if you did my turtle dot clear, it doesn't make sense because I just figured out that my turtle, it's just my turtle and then we're clearing it. So nope, I was wrong. Sorry about that. But this right here, let's say you don't want to see your turtle draw anymore in nice shapes, which I don't know why, but you just do clear and it just once he's finished with his 250 or whatever rounds and loops, just draw him a little bit and just clear it out. Or you could do my underscore turtle dot reset. This basically tells your turtle to erase everything. So I think that's pretty cool and erases everything and like it goes back to its starting place, which is usually the middle when you first saw it, which is literally right here. It tells it to reset everything, and then like I keep going to. I think it's literally the program, but it's not. Sorry for that. And then so like think of it as like a cleaning, like cleaning the paper and putting the turtle like back home, like ready to a fresh start. So think of it as like a cleaning. So it's kind of cool, I think. And we could just go back to changing the window, which let's see. So let's say you don't want this right here. It's boring. It's white. It's weird. You could just see. I was about to click it again, guys. I'm not exaggerating. Alright, so let's say you don't want that dumb white background. You want something cool. You want something nice. You want something very, 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 very nice. Then we'll just do screen, which is literally what I was just saying. We'll do screen equals top of my head, yeah, screen equals turtle dot screen uppercase. Perfect. And I think we add, yes, we do. I was just thinking about it in my head whenever I was doing my little coding book. It was always, you're doing this, do that, and then we'll do screen again. So we're gonna get a little this gone, like you don't want to get confused. Alright, we'll do screen dot background. BG stands for back and then ground. And then we'll do color. And then we'll do light. Oops, I accidentally put G in there. Light blue. Oh, and I'm also forgetting the question mark, so let me add that in there. Alright, light blue. Alright. Alright, we did that. We're just figuring, yeah, I think you could use a light blue. Yeah, we can. And then we'll do screen, and then we'll do title. Oops, I forgot the bottom title. There we go. Alright, title, and then we'll do this, and we'll do this. Uppercase, my turtle. And then we'll do art, and then forgot the question mark. And then we'll do art. Light blue, screen, art. Alright. So screen equals, which you're probably wondering, screen equals turtle dot screen. Basically, this like tells, like this like creates a screen and the window where your turtle draws. So like let's say we'll give it a name, screen, so we could tell it what to do. So we gave it a name, screen, and we're telling it what to do. And then screen dot bg Wait, I did BC. BG. Okay. C. Oh, I must have deleted G and then put C. The C was standing for color, and I erased BG. So BG color, basically light blue. This tells like the screen right here. This tells the screen like to change its background color to light blue. You can do orange, pink, purple, whatever you want. You can pick any color you like. It's by writing its name in the quotes. So you could pick any color you want, and then right here, screen dot title right here. Just like So this like sets the title of the window, the words at the top of the window, to my turtle art. Like this is my turtle's art. So my turtle art, and then this sets like the title of the window, which is important. This is kind of cool too. Like my turtle art. This is name. You can name it anything. So my turtle's art. Let's see. Oops. My turtle art. Songs. So you can name it anything. We'll do it. Let's see. Do this. Oh yeah, it was never closed. Correct. And even Python will like correct you, like, hey, what are you doing, man? F5 key. Okay. Let's see this little turtle go into action. Wait a second, is he going into that boring loop again? That is kind of boring. Hey, but it didn't turn the background green. Is it after everything? I think it must be a loop. We can't bring it to 40. We'll bring it down to 10. We'll do 22. Now I'll try. Oops, I hit my glass. Alright. Perfect. Now it's not that boring color. Oh, it looks like a star a little bit. Oh, and then, so, instead of Python turtle graphics, it's my turtle's art sucks. Heard that? You heard that? Alright. Now, so I think it's basically following this right here, even though we're separating it. So, what we'll do is we'll do our own loop. So we'll do... Oh, so before any... Always put it before a for in range. And then we'll get rid of this. Now let's try. It's still, even if you do tons, see, yeah, perfect. Even if you do tons of spaces, I just realized that if you do tons of spaces, it's still for I in loop. So it doesn't matter how many spaces or enters you do, it will still follow for I in range, which is basically a whole loop. A ton of loops here. But if you do it before everything, like in the import turtle, which was the very first step, it will give you the screen background color light blue, or it could just be dark blue. Let's see. I think we could do dark blue. Let's see. Dark blue. We could do anything. Let's see. Yep, dark blue. You could do anything right here. I like dark blue. Gives it a kind of cool kind of thing to it. Dark blue. And I just exit out of that, which is my... Yep, there we go. You can still... See, I'll keep doing it. We could do dark... Dark purple. Well, I wonder if that's a thing. Oh. Just blacked out. Oh, what are they saying down here? Oh, let's see. Dark purple. I don't think there's such a thing as dark. We'll do black. How about that? I think that it's a thing. Yep, dark. I like black. I kind of like black the most because you can see everything. So I guess dark purple isn't a thing. But hey, It's fine. Alright, so there's our funny little thing right here. Oh. Alright, we'll do. Alright, so we'll just go over the most important things, the symbols and words, which equals, so the equal sign, because I have a ton of equals in here, equals, where's another equal? Well, just in general, equals is kind of, it's kind of important. So what this means is give this a name. So when you do my turtle equals turtle dot turtle, you're giving it a name. And when you're doing screen equals turtle dot screen, you're giving it a name. So give this a name. So equals means give this a name. And then as you can see, there's more. Equals is nothing compared to dots. So this is very important. This basically tells it, like, tell whatever code you're doing. It tells, like, it says tell, basically, excuse me, it literally stands for tell this thing to do something. So my turtle, come on, hey, my turtle, let's go, move forward. Or, hey, my turtle, let's go right. And hey, my turtle, let's go backwards. And hey, my turtle, let's go left as well. I think I said right. I think I said left here, so my bad, right. And then let's say my turtle dot end. You gotta end it now. So end underscore fill, and then you gotta clear because your drawing is not good and I'm not impressed. So you gotta clear it. So this is basically telling it tell this thing to do something, and then you're seeing a lot of this right here too. Quotient marks, quotient mark, quotient mark, quotient mark, quotient mark, quotient mark, quotient mark, tons of quotient marks. So means that's like this word or text. So if you're doing a word which is yellow, you do that. And if you're doing like my turtle sucks, it's a word, text, question mark. And then these little things right here, see them everywhere. This right here, not including this, but this right here, basically means we're using a special tool. So this we're using 100, we're using 90, we're using 10, we're using 120, we're using a special tool. And then you're seeing like capital, and you're probably confused because like what 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 does it mean? Like, when do I have to do capital? And what does it mean? Because I don't think I was explaining it back there really properly. And the capital T, and like, let's say here, right here, like like when you're doing turtle, these things right here, basically means like we're using a blueprint to make a new turtle. So whenever you're seeing this, oh, just for this right here, a new turtle or a new something. So for example, like screen equals turtle dot screen, we're like doing a screen, stuff like that. And I think this is pretty important. But basically, whenever you're just doing for right, you're doing 100 steps. So I mean, it's kind of important, but mostly the dots are the most important. So hopefully you now know what they describe. And then say you don't want to do my turtle dot clear, we'll do reset. Let's say reset. Like we don't want to see you anymore. Like reset. Yeah, reset. Perfect. Let's remember. No, why did I go all the way down there? Hold on. Dot reset. Alright, perfect. Alright, let's see this. I just saved it. Oh, they did. Oh, you just should reset everything. Or should I? I think it does. Yep. Resets it. He's not there anymore. Don't worry. He'll come back soon. Once you press the F5 key again. Alright, so I guess you learned a little bit about all this, and basically that's it for today. Today's like turtle lesson. So now you know how to make your turtle look awesome, giving it colors, changing the background, making its writings a little thicker, and learning how to do loops right here and stuff like that. And then making like to fill the color, which is yellow, making the turtle fill color yellow. Once like my turtle begin fill, after that, yellow. So basically, hopefully you learned a little bit. That's it for today's turtle lesson. Now you know how to make your turtle look awesome. Right here, making it look black or dark blue. And moving it around, drawing shapes, and filling it with colors, stuff like that. And practice, and hopefully you like practice playing with these commands and see what fun art you can create. Because I definitely know it's not. Hopefully, you probably will, because it was kind of fun. And like practicing these commands and see what art you can create. Like that was kind of cool art what we were doing before, and you